Alright guys, Styles here. Basically, a lot of people have been asking lately for a 3ds-Max tutorial. This is it. I'm going to show you how to get it and use it. All about it. So first what we're going to do, open up our search bar, Google. Holy shit, hold on. Let me mute my Skype. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so Google, type in Autodesk Student in your search bar. First one that shows up, student.autodesk.com, Autodesk, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so once you get to this website, right up here is going to say register or log in. I already have an account, so I'm logged in. You're just going to have to register. It takes, 10 minutes. No credit card or anything, just email, blah, blah. And basically this is how you can get 3ds-Max. We're going to go to free software. You don't gotta, this is like the free way to get it, and you don't gotta worry about like pirating and Trojan and all that shit. So once we're here, I'm gonna scroll down. We're gonna look for Autodesk 3ds-Max Design. We're gonna press that one. Hold on. Oops, passed it right here. Don't do Autodesk 3ds-Max Design, that's the wrong program. Autodesk 3ds-Max, this is the one. Choose your version. I like 2010, that's what I always use. Easiest, simplest, language. I speak English. Operating system, that, and next. And it's going to start loading. This is your serial number, product key, all free. Probably want to write this down. Or if you're lazy, copy and paste it like on a notepad or something. Alright, there's that stuff. Then we're just going to press browser download, and it will download. Download time varies, so it shouldn't be that long. It really depends on your connection, blah blah blah. If you got a shitty computer, shitty connection, you're gonna be waiting probably an hour. If you got a good computer, good connection, you'll be waiting 7 minutes. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause it now, and once it's done, I'll come back to the video. Alright guys, so finished downloading. We're back here. We're gonna open this up now. We're gonna run the program. I guess we can minimize that. Just wait for it to open. Should be opening. Yep, it's opening. There it is. Alright, so we're just gonna press install, and the installation is gonna load through. Again, depending on how fast your computer is, it really varies what this time is gonna take. I have a fairly fast computer, a good connection. It'll be done within 1 minute. So I'm just gonna pause the video and start it back up when it's done. Alright guys, so installation's basically done. We got this little pop-up right here. We're just gonna click that, hit yes. Then the setup's gonna continue. It's just gonna have to keep loading through each single part. Alright, so here we are. We're at our Autodesk. This is basically the main installation. So we got all of these, blah blah blah. We need to install 32-bit combat, bottom. I don't want the tutorial files, and really, I don't want 32-bit. I want 64-bit. And we're just gonna press next. And then right here you can see initializing Autodesk 3ds-Max, blah blah blah. It's loading. Again, it's installing, so the installation process takes a lot of time, so you just gotta be patient with it. So I'm just gonna let this load out. I'll pause the video and we'll come back once it's done. Alright, so it finished. You got your terms of agreement. Just press accept. Next. Serial number, product key. Now, when you first installed the program, you got your little thing. You either wrote it down or you put it in your little notepad like I did. So what we're gonna do is just gonna get a serial number. 900. 900. Let's see. and then 24 11 7 8 8 7, and our product key was 12 8 B1. And then you can just do your first name, Jake. I'll just do Jake Styles because that's my SAMP name. Organization, I don't know, I just do student. And then you got all this. I'll just copy and paste the stuff for safety, but ask for it later. And it doesn't want to, so fuck it. I'm just gonna press install. And now all these different components, micro visual, 2, 3, it's gonna install these in a row. So right now it's doing this first one where the green arrow is. Next, once this is done, which is, I'll go to this one, and I'll go to that one, that one, that one, so you get right at the end, right here, Autodesk 3ds-Max. Again, depending on how fast your computer is, mine's obviously going pretty quick, as you can tell. So just gonna pause the video, and once these all go, then we're gonna open the video up again. Alright guys, so once this finishes, it's just gonna once all these on the little side load, it's just gonna send you here and show you all your components were installed, and we're just gonna click finish, and it'll open up the Autodesk README. This is all this crap. I don't really could give two shits about it, so I'm just gonna close that. And so now we got our little Autodesk 3ds-Max icon. Now most of you think, oh, we're gonna open the program, we're gonna use it now, make skins. There's still another step. In order to open GTA skins in 3ds-Max, you need CamScript. So what we're gonna do is install CamScript. This is the last step before we can start modding. So we're gonna go to Google, type in, you write CamScript 3ds-Max, and it'll send you to GTA Garage. This one is not a big program. It goes really quick. We don't want Gmax, we want IO for 3ds-Max. Press download, and then it'll take 1 second. You know, hit that. Alright, so we got this stuff, maps, scripts, blah 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 blah. Now you're probably wondering, where do we put this? If not, then you're an idiot. So what we're gonna do is go to computer, local disk, program here, Autodesk 3ds-Max, and scroll down. You got your scripts, all this crap. So as you see, you got maps and scripts. So go in scripts, you're gonna wanna, right here inside your scripts, you're just going to extract these to the desktop. Alright, so we extracted these to our desktop. Inside your scripts, you just want to drag these two right here. And yes, what we're going to do is merge them. Yes, continue. Moving. Alright, so we're waiting through that. So, scripts, this is done. We don't need this. Alright, so we go back here, go inside maps, and we're just going to drag these two in here. Continue, and then we just go back one more, and then we just have these readmes. I don't know if they're necessary, but they came in download, so I'm going to drag them in there anyways. Alright, so there we go. Those are empty. Delete those. Alright, we have 3ds-Max and CamScript successfully installed. So exit out of that, and what we're going to do is we're just going to open up our Autodesk 3ds-Max now. Double click it, and it will start loading up. First time it's starting up, it may take a while. If you have a slow computer, it'll always take a while. Just have to be patient with it, because yes, you got it for free. And so we're just going to run the product and just wait for it to load up. shouldn't take that long after your first time, but your first time it will take a little bit, so just be patient with it. Alright, so here it is. 3ds-Max has opened. It's going to give you this. We're just going to press close. Alright, so you're now thinking, finally we're to the skin modding part. This tutorial I will just be showing you the basics, nothing crazy. Alright, so once you open your 3ds-Max, you got 4 different panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so if you look now, what we're going to do is we're just going to import a skin to show you some basic controls. So right here, our cam script, GTA scripts, is what we installed right here. And you got all these different buttons. You're really confused. What you want to do, press the FFIO and you're going to get your window right here. Alright, so basically you got import, export, bones, dummy helper, and about. You don't use about, you don't use that. So the 2 you're going to be using is import DFF and export DFF. Alright, remember that. So right now we want to import a skin. Import. So this is what your import tab looks like. You got this button, this one, all these buttons. Alright, don't be an idiot. And so this is the important part to making your skin. What you want to do, always hit this A. If you forget, you're going to mess up. Something's going to go wrong. Just hit this A. Don't be an idiot. Then what we're going to do, import DFF. Now, if you know anything about modding previous to watching this tutorial, you know that the DFF is like the skin, and then the .txd is like the texture. So in 3ds-Max, when you hit your yellow A, hit import, and then just find skin. So I'm just gonna go into my mods, skin mods. I got all these different. Alright, I'm just gonna pick one. Which one to pick? I'll press be my DJ. Hopefully it opens. When you import a skin, sometimes it'll take a little bit because it's gotta open it, build it, all that stuff. So there's our skin. You're like, what the heck? Why is there just 4 little dots in each panel? Well, let's exit out that window. 3ds-Max, you know, most things you make are gonna be big, but for GTA, all the PEDs are really small. So what you're gonna do is gonna click on it and zoom in. You're gonna zoom in, and we're gonna click and zoom in. Alright, so this is our skin right here. Looking around, this is our skin. What I like to do is hit all. You got you got these 4 windows that gives you just different views. It gives you all these different side views and all that crap. What I like to do is, fucking hell, what the hell is wrong with this crap? Alright, I like to hit this. I just press Alt W, and it's gonna make it full screen. It'll make it look better. And so basically, right before I finish this tutorial, I'm just going to show you. Up here are your basic controls. You got your move, your rotate, and your scale. So to move it, you're just going to go like this. It's going to move side. What the fuck? Alright, that's your move tool. This is your rotate tool, like that. And then your scale tool is this one. I'm obviously experiencing problems right now with the recording. It makes it look retarded. But yeah, those are your basic tools, and in the next video I will show you how to actually use them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, what's the other one? Comment. Yep. Do whatever you gotta do, and see you next time.